Dham Yatra trip by helicopter today. How was everything?
So very excited, very adventure trip also.
It was very good. Initially the weather was not good, but later I think the captain and your crew, what they did was immensely appreciable. And yeah, the trip was very good and awesome, and the darshan we had was like it is a once in a lifetime kind of experience.
How was the support provided by?
Very good.
Support is out of the world. It is very good.
Thank you so much.
Speechless, and we never expected that we could have get this darshan so nicely.
Captain also the very good. He's very
Thank
good.
you. Thank you so much.
And initially we thought that darshan may happen or not.
Yeah.
But finally we did a fantastic darshan with your support, and I think your coordination in between councils also excellent.
Excellent.
And you people have a good cooperation in the temples also.
Thank you.
Cooperation and coordination, and they are
Changeovers are
also
also very timely changeovers.
No one,
they are
and no one will ask money.
they are
Extra
also
money.
continuously supporting, and from your end also it's a good coordination from yesterday onwards. Really it's appreciated.
Actually, also they
And
provide-
in the life we have to travel this
Next time we'll come with families.
Yes.
Sure,
and
sure.
really
Most welcome.
satisfied.
Most welcome.
वेदर का है तो हम लोग कुछ प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते.
जी.
Last but not least, Tannesh, thanks to you also.
Yeah. Thank you so much. We are Blueheights Aviation.
Big Pure to Blue Aviation.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Nice
Thank you.
meeting you.